Using the authority Congress granted the Department of Education, we will forgive $10,000 in outstanding federal student loans. In addition, students who come from low-income families, which allowed them to qualify to receive a Pell Grant, will have their debt reduced $20,000. Both of these targeted actions are for families who need it the most. Working and middle-class people hit especially hard during the pandemic, making under $125,000 a year. All this means people can finally crawl out from under that mountain of debt, to get on top of their rent and their utilities, to finally think about buying a home or starting a family or starting a business. And by the way, when this happens, the whole economy is better off. Now, I understand not everything I'm announcing today is going to make everybody happy. Something is too much. Something is too little. But I believe my plan is responsible and fair. It focuses the benefit on middle class and working families. It helps both current and future borrowers, and will fix a badly broken system.
Hi everyone, George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.
Guys, your student loans have been canceled. As you've seen from the video, Uncle Joe is really taking initiative to canceling the student loans as he promised prior to him winning the election. Guys, this is big news. In today's video, I'm going to break down step by step on how those student loans actually apply to you and your household. Guys, stay tuned. Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you're new to the channel, I'm Credit Coach Q, and I created the first cloud-based software that allows you to put your credit repair expense into your own hands. And guys, in today's video, if you're new to the channel, I'm super excited because I have a banger. In today's video, we're talking about how Uncle Joe is canceling the student loans for the country. But before we get to the video, guys, please like and subscribe to the channel. It allows YouTube to push this content to a wider audience, and it also allows them to push us within their algorithm. It allows us to leave the lights on. Guys, please like and subscribe to the channel. If you have anything derogatory in your credit report, I mean anything negative, charge-offs, late payments, bankruptcies, medical bills, guys, you name it, please go over to mycreditapproved.com. It's the website and the software that I was telling you about that allows you to put the full experience to your own hands. Guys, people are removing thousands of dollars worth of debt by themselves. They are no longer using credit repair companies. They are putting this information and this experience into their own hands and appreciating on a deeper level. Guys, please go to mycreditapproved.com, check out the software, and start removing these items, guys, if you have anything derogatory on your credit report. Now, let's dive straight into the meat and potatoes of this video. Guys, in today's video, we're going to talk about how Joe Biden is canceling the student loans, right? I'm going to dive straight into the details. I don't want no fluff, no bluff with this video, so let's dive straight into the meat and potatoes. Okay, so the first thing first, he is canceling student loans for a variety of individuals in different households, right? Let me explain. So for instance, a lot of people is going to qualify for this loan forgiveness plan. Joe Biden has stated that 95% of the borrowers are going to qualify for the student loan forgiveness. So that is great. Awesome job there. Now, you have to understand that the average person that borrows from a college or anything like that, average is around $30,000 to $50,000. And that's you just going to a four-year university and just getting the bare minimum. That's not you really going to a high level scholastic or Ivy League type of school. It's just a basic four-year school, and that's basically it. Now, if you want to go to a different school, the student loans that you can qualify for can go always to the $100,000 range, depending on the major and depending on the school. But Joe Biden has counseled up to $20,000 for people who qualify for student loans in the past. Now, if you have already paid your student loans or anything like that, you cannot get a benefit or a receipt or any type of refund for the prior are student loan payments that you have, and that can be included me. It can include a lot of different people that have already paid student loans prior to this forgiveness plan. So FYI there. Now, you do want to keep in mind that you have to make less than $125,000 yearly in order for you to qualify for the student loan forgiveness plan. So that's per individual. Actually, if you are married, the household income has to be over $250,000 for you to qualify for this $10,000 forgiveness plan. Now, I don't want to give you guys the initiative that all of your student loans has been removed. No, actually only a fraction of your student loans have been removed. Now, if you went to a Barber college or a community college or something like that for your education, and you don't have a lot of student loans, then this is great for you. Then nearly, if not all of your student loans will be canceled with this initiative, and that is great. But if you are a nurse or a doctor or a engineer or something like that, then you are going to have a lot more student loans left after this forgiveness plan has been met. Now, he are also giving away an additional $10K, which can result to $20K of student loan forgiveness in total. In order for you to qualify for the additional $10K, you had to be qualified or already have gotten the Pell Grant while you was in school pursuing your education. So if you have already gotten the Pell Grant or qualified for the Pell Grant, then you automatically are able to get the additional $10K, which is ultimately $20K. Now, if you didn't have a very long-winded education where you just went to get your master's, bachelor's, and all of those things, then yeah, this program, it will be great for you in your particular situation. But if you have 50, 60, 70,000 or over $100,000 worth of student loans, then this is only going to be a small fraction of what the population actually needs. And I honestly think that it's a great initiative and a great plan going forward, but I also think that this is nowhere near a resolvement for the student loan crisis that this country desperately needs. But I do think that it is a good gesture to remove the $20K. And like I said, some people are going to get everything removed. But what I did find interesting about this particular executive order is that he extended the student loan payment arrangement. So normally he pushed back student loan payments during COVID relief, and the student loan repayment plan was supposed to go back into effect during August, but he pushed it all the way back to January the 1st or December the 31st. So January the 1st will be the following day that you would need to start paying your student loans. Now, what I also like about the executive order is that he are capping the amount of payment that you are required to make on a monthly basis towards those student loans, even after the student loan payment plan actually restarts. He is basically saying that whether you graduate or didn't graduate, he is going to go off your monthly income, and your monthly income is going to determine how much you are going to have to give back or pay back towards your student loan debt. The cap for your monthly income is 5%. I think they used to be double that. I think it used to be 10% of your monthly income. Now it has been dwindled down to 5%, which is a huge service for anyone that has a big wedge when it comes to monthly expenses foregoing their student loan payments. So yeah, that is great. Honestly, guys, I think that this is going to be, like I said, a great step forward. But ultimately, the way this country is in trillions of dollars worth of debt pertaining to student loan debt, and I think it's one of the biggest financial issues that this country has to look forward to. And I think that this is going to help a lot of people, but I think that this is still going to leave a lot of other people with the same exact problem they once had. Now, guys, let me know how you feel in the comments. Let me know if you think that this is going to be a great step forward. Let me know if you think that this is going to be something that is going to be beneficial for you. Now, another thing is that in order for you to apply for this, the feds are saying that they are going to create a sign-up applicant sheet on their website that allows you to apply for the student loan forgiveness. And then they said that they was going to update the website and let everyone know and allow it to be newsworthy once they actually release that format that for you to apply for the student loan forgiveness. Guys, let me know in the comments how you feel about this. I think this is very interesting, but I don't want anyone in my audience to believe that this is going to be the all be all for your student loan problems. Now, like I said, it might for a lot of CNA or a lot of phlebotomists, a lot of people that went to community colleges. Yeah, that would be great. You know, if you are in that field and you know you started with a CNA course and had to go to school for, take a small loan, and then you worked your way up and your employer paid for your other education, people like that, this is great, you know, but that's slim chance to none for a person that actually went to school, or went to college, and my student loan debt, this wouldn't do anything for. So yeah, $20,000 will be good in the long run. Once you almost at the end of paying it, that $20K will be a big nudge, but for the most part, I think that this is going to be interesting. I want to see how this is going to weigh in the shift of the financial crisis that we have in the student loan department, man. So yeah, I want to know how you guys feel about it. Leave a comment, leave a like, and let me know in the comments whether you think that this is going to be beneficial going forward. Guys, until next time, take care of your credit and take care of yourself. Credit Coach Q out.